So I'm Matt Lenzen, and I'm the Vice President of Sales. I've been in the industry for 20 years, predominantly in rigid packaging, things like blow molding, thermoforming, point of purchase, point of sale displays, companies big and small, large multinational, publicly traded $5 billion companies to smaller privately held companies. But there's really nothing in the world of packaging that I've not seen over my 2 decades in the business. Yeah, it's changed dramatically, and a lot of it's been driven by the consumer, especially around the 2000s, where their demands and their tastes started to change, and that really changed the scope of packaging. So we started to see things like shapes being introduced, packages that had to fit in a cup holder, packages that had pourability, tamper evidence. All that changed packaging, and it really set innovation forward on a path that we all had to catch up to. Some of the challenges I've seen over the years really were related to speed to market. And so the consumers change at a rapid pace, and the packaging suppliers had to catch up to them. And they struggled with timing. It was never fast enough for sales, never fast enough for marketing. And when you're investing significant amounts of dollars in molds, tools, et cetera, it takes time. And so that was a massive challenge, is trying to keep up. And as we try to keep up, we're also trying to keep multiple parties happy, right? And so there's a lot of complex systems, a lot of data that is shared between CPGs and packaging providers. And as their demands got more complex, there was just really nothing that helped you manage all that noise. I wish everybody I worked with in the past had Specright, both customers that I worked with, companies I worked for, because it's the magic solution. And the companies that I've worked for certainly have grown over time, and their systems didn't necessarily grow with them. And customers have obviously evolved too, and they don't have systems in place like Specright. And so yes, 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 yes. I joined Specright because the value position made sense immediately. The industry has been screaming for this for years. And Specright was designed by packaging people, for packaging people, and has evolved into more than packaging. So we're getting involved with quality data, with design, creative manufacturing specs, et cetera. And this creates a very unique solution for Specright users. Specright users have other people in their company now approaching them because they see the value that Specright brings, and they want to get on the platform.